Good morning. Welcome to another episode of the vlog. I am out here in the wilderness. I am almost falling off the swing, to be honest, but that's what's up. Good morning. And yeah, we're just out here vibing. It's a beautiful morning, and yeah, that's really what we're doing today. I'll be shooting a proper film vlog today, hopefully, of the wilderness. Can't wait to show you guys that. And yeah, we'll chat soon. About to make some breakfast. Maybe you guys can come with me to make breakfast. Okay, let's go make breakfast. Alright, quick morning walk. I just need to go look for my camera in the car. Then we're gonna go to a waterfall. There are two waterfalls today. Man, these days are crazy. Got my morning coffee with me. And yeah, let's get this day going. It's like almost 10 right now. Let me just show you guys the view from here. It's crazy. If I'm being completely honest, the walk up is crappy, but the walk down, my boy, this is breathtaking. I am just trying to keep still. I have coffee and shoes in my hand, but yo, Father God, Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Okay, I need to take a picture here. Just need to put my shoes down. Still got my morning coffee. Ugh. This is insane. It's super backlit, but I got the camera over here. Let's just see. And that's on Beautiful Life. That's on Beautiful Life. Alright. How was I holding all of this? Alright. I got a better way of holding things. Just gonna keep walking down. I hope that picture came out nicely. It's super backlit, but I don't know, man. I'm not really that technical in the picture taking aspect. If I see something that looks beautiful, I'm gonna take a beautiful picture. You know, that nigga's always trying to overthink stuff, bro. Okay, so as I was telling you guys, back to my story. So we are going to Waterfall Trail. Very excited. Okay, so up there is the cabin, right? Can't even barely see it. And we still have to go down here. Let's get it's steep, bro. How are we looking?
Really good.
We're looking good. We're looking good. Alright. Hype update. It's a lot steeper than we initially thought. Like, as in Signal Hill. I feel like that's what we're doing to ourselves here, because we don't know how far we're going down. Because our cabin is on the top of the mountain, right? So now we have to go find the waterfall. Like, I mean, we close. We close, alright? I hope so. View is kind of worth it, but the road is treacherous, my boy. Another hike update. We are over here taking selfies. Hey, okay, let me take out my camera. Alright, you just missed it, but you saw an antelope right there. It's gone now.
Do it too.
Do it too. Alright, let's keep walking. So, after quite a bit of a hike, we've got another sign. It feels okay. So waterfall, swimming hole. We want to see the waterfall and call it a day. Whew. We close.